Hi guys, ladies, I wanted to share with you my flu bomb recipe. I have been sick, so excuse me if I don't sound the greatest or if I don't look the greatest, but I've been sick, so I want to share with you what I have been doing so far to actually help me. So I'm going to share with the flu bomb recipe that has really helped. Basically, it's only actually 5 ingredients. It's garlic, it's fresh lemon, or you can buy just pure lemon juice, whoops, like this. Cayenne pepper, some thyme, and ginger. So basically what you do is you take 1 clove of ginger, chop it up as small as you can, and tiny pieces, which I already did ahead of time. And you just put it in a glass of water or a cup of water. So you see how small it is right here. That's the ginger, or excuse me, that's the garlic. And then that's a quarter. I actually put half a teaspoon of ginger. So you're gonna put all that in a cup. And that's what I'm doing right now. So it's a quarter of a ginger. What you do with the ginger is you just use this little grater and just make it as small as, just grate it, grab a spoon and just kind of scoop it off. So I've used that. I did get some fresh lemon juice out of a lemon. It comes out to about a quarter of a cup. So I pour that in there in my glass, and then I'm gonna be a little bit bold. I would probably recommend that you start with, I wouldn't do a quarter of a teaspoon. I'm going to do a quarter of a teaspoon because I'm a little bit more bolder and I've been doing this, but I probably would only recommend maybe 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne. So here's some cayenne pepper. And then what I did is I got some thyme, just a little handful, put it in some water, boiled it for about 5 minutes, let it steep in there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this out. And this is about half a cup, I would say probably half a cup of water. So here is half a cup of water, and because it tastes really, it doesn't taste that great, but it works amazing. I'll probably put about half a teaspoon or a tablespoon or teaspoon of, you might want to do a tablespoon of some raw honey. Then you mix it all together, and you could put a little bit more water because it is supposed to be hot water. So I usually put about another half a cup of water in here, and then I kind of try to chug it within 5 minutes. So I just wanted to share this recipe with you because it's really helpful. There's a lot of people that get like the flu. I usually don't ever get sick, and it's really kicked my butt, honestly. But this really helps. So you got the clove, of course, was antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial. You got the cayenne pepper, which just opens up the sinuses, the lemon with the vitamin C, the ginger is very anti-inflammatory, the thyme has some antibacterial cleansing properties as well. So sometimes I add a little bit of sea salt to it. So anyways, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. It looks red, and it's really yeah, it doesn't taste the best. I'm not gonna be I'm just gonna tell you the truth. That's hot. You feel it burning and clearing everything up in here. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. The recipe will be somewhere here in this link below on our website. So I hope that this helps you, and I hope that you do not get the flu because it's been horrible. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. So hope that you can use this. Of course, always consult with your personal physician before you try any of these home remedies, but I like to use more natural herbal stuff. So I'll catch you on the next video. See ya. Bye. Thanks for watching.